Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today's video is a haul and I'm super excited. Love shopping, so every time there is a haul I'm like uber excited about it. This time I'm bringing you a little bit of a mix. I'm bringing you clothing, accessories, and makeup. As usual, no haul is complete without makeup, right? So I'm going to start off with fashion and accessories because that's not a lot. Actually, it's a very small haul in general, but yeah, I'm just gonna go in with the clothing first because I have it here and they're kind of disturbing me. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so I bought two dresses from Portman's. I went to Birkenhead Point yesterday and I ended up buying two dresses. One is formal, one is casual, and they were both on sale and I love a good bargain. I'll insert photos of me, you know, trying on the dress and stuff so you can see what it looks like. But the first dress is this it's a multicolor, very summer dress. I love these dresses and I cannot do justice to this dress with just showing you on camera, but it does come with like a little belt at the waist. It's got like the ruffle trim at the bottom with like a cutout in the middle, so I'll insert a photo just here so you can see what this dress looks like on. I got it in the size 14 and the price for this one, full price, was $109.95 and it was on sale for $50, and I think I got another additional 20-ish% off on that. So yeah, I think it's a beautiful summer dress. I think it would look so good with, like, you know, when you go to a barbecue or something like that. The next dress, this is one of my favorites. I adore this dress. As soon as I tried it on, I was like, yes, mine, please, now. And it is this beautiful black dress. It's got like a lace in the front, like it's got a overlap of the lace with like a satin thing inside, and I'm really horrible at describing dresses and stuff, so please excuse that. But I just love how this shapes my body and everything, and it's not my I generally go towards shorter dresses because I feel like they complement me since I'm short and stuff. I'm 5'2". And this one's a little bit longer, and I just like how it kind of shapes my upper body and stuff. And you know, this one you definitely do need to pair it with heels, so I'll insert a photo with that as well. For both of these photos and both of these dresses I'm wearing the same pair of heels which I got from Big W. I just really like the block heel on that one, so yeah, just so you get a feel for it. I love this dress, and in comparison to this, the other one just looks like but they're both beautiful on their own. So this one was $99.95. I'm surprised because this one's way nicer. This is $99.95 down to $49.95, and then again additional 20% off. So then I went to Nine West. I just got like a couple of accessories from Nine West. I am obsessed with wallets and all that jazz. So I got a couple of clutches and a wallet for myself. So the first one is this one. This one is $29.95. It's just a basic silver clutch. I got this in silver and gold. I got the same style. Ooh. Woo. So that's that. These are both for gifting. They're not mine, but I feel like they look beautiful with like even traditional dresses and stuff. So that's how they come. I think they're just stunning. I think they pair well with like Western dresses and Indian outfits as well. So these are gifts for family. I really do like both of these. They're gorgeous. Battery low. Okay, it's not gonna take that long. For myself, I got a clutch, not a clutch, I got a wallet. I haven't bought a wallet in a really long time, and I really just wanted something festive, something casual, but yet had something of an element in there. So this is what it looks like, and this insert, I put it inside because it's still like tagged and stuff, but it has this gold little pouch coin purse in here. I think this would be really good for like, you know, you want to just grab your cards and a little bit of cash and then just take it on the go. I usually just go for a little drive and you just need your license and stuff, so I tend to do that a lot. So I'm really glad with that addition in here. And yeah, it's just your basic clutch, just like that. This one was $29.95 as well, and I think this one might have been a few extra dollars off, I'm not too sure. But yeah, Love this one. As soon as this video is done, I'm actually going to go and transfer everything from my wallet into this one. I really, really love it. I like the color. It's just so me. Like, it's basic, but then it has that gold thing to it. I just really like such things. For makeup, Sephora was having a 50% off sale over Halloween. So it was, I think, 20, 30, and then 50. I don't know, something like that. I got an email as well as a notification because I have the app and stuff. And if you spend over $200, you get 50% off. So I made sure that I did over $200. And so I picked it up. That's the bag. I'm not going to show you the front because it has my address and everything on it. But yeah, I was so excited. And I got a few things that if you follow me on Instagram, you probably know what I got. But let's just dig in, okay? So the first thing I got was the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism Palette. Now, this one is, I believe it's discontinued. This is last year's holiday collection. I'm not sure if they're going to continue selling it or not, but it was still priced at the same price as every other Anastasia palette, $75, and this is what it looks like. There, that's better. I love the color scheme. I love the pops of color in here, and I'm so excited to try this. I've been waiting to try this, so I think tomorrow my last and final Diwali look will be with this one. I'm super excited for this one. I hope it's not this. I think it's discontinued though. I'm not even gonna. Yeah, I think it's still on Sephora if you want to get your hands on it. I'm not sure if it's still on sale or not, but it's still there. So there was that. The other Anastasia product that I got was their lip gloss in Maui. So that's what that looks like. It's a beautiful, bright, corally color. And like I said, it's in the shade Maui. Oh, that's pretty. That is very, very pretty. Cannot wait to try this as well. Super excited for that one. I don't think I own anything lip-wise from Anastasia. Like, I own a lot of their palettes and stuff, but not that. And then I'm going to show you guys this one first because I want to save the best for the last. So I got, as a free perk, I got the It Cosmetics CC Cream. I've been wanting to try this for a very, very long time. And then, so this is the, I think this is in the shade medium. Yes. So I think I'll try this maybe tomorrow, some other video, I'm not sure. But excited to try this. This one is 4 ml or 0.135 US fluid ounces. Never tried that, so again, excited. I think I got products that I've never tried and stuff. The only thing that I'm familiar with is the Anastasia palettes, because I think I've been obsessed with them lately. So the last two products, this is, you know, you don't miss this opportunity when the sale comes on, right? So MARC JACOBS is a really luxurious brand. It is pricey and stuff, but it was on sale, so I got two things from MARC JACOBS, and I'm so excited. So the first one, this is the Instamark Light Filtering Contour Powder. The packaging, everything is like, I knew luxurious, but like this is next level, like you guys. Oh, I just hope this is my shade. This is in the number 60 Hi-Fi filter, and it comes with like a chart. Comes with like this chart which shows you the various looks you can get and how you have to place the color and everything. So they've got the dramatic contouring for ultimate sculpting. They've got the look, so glamorous contouring for added dimension, and they've got the everyday contouring to enhance natural features. So you've got like three facial charts here, which kind of give you how to achieve that look. So I wanted to try it for today's video, but I was like, you know what, it's okay. I can wait maybe tomorrow because I'm filming. Tomorrow's my last look in the Diwali series, so I was like super excited to kind of film with that. And lastly, I got the lip color stick. This is the Kiss Pop collection from MARC JACOBS, and the packaging, you guys, I think this is adorable. Like, this is just, it's adorable. I cannot even say anything else. And the shade is beautiful. This is in the shade Pop Rock. It's a beautiful red color. It's very, very creamy. So this is more of the orangey red. Cannot wait to try this. I'm planning on doing a more traditional look tomorrow, so I think this might come in handy. I don't know if I'll use this or something else, but ooh, melts my heart just looking at this. This is like so pretty, so pretty. But I'm really excited about buying my MARC JACOBS. Like I even put it on Instagram saying it's my first purchase and stuff, so super excited to try that. But that completes the haul, you guys. That's it. That's all I got, and yeah, I wanted to share it with you. So hope you enjoyed this video. It's short and sweet, and yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take care. Bye!